Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. So if you've come online and maybe you're thinking that you have to create this sales funnel, or maybe some guru says, go out there and create this big sales funnel and you'll be rich and you'll have all the luxuries you want. And maybe you've done that and you've struggled and you just can't do it. Well, on this video, I'm going to talk to you how to set up your own making money online funnel without setting up your own sales funnel. Makes sense, right? Set it up without creating it yourself. We're gonna do that in this video, and we're gonna do it like a total boss. If it's first time you've been to my video, you know that I'd like to talk about the lifestyle, being able to do the fun things that you want in life and not be tied down to somebody else or some other business. You create your own life, and you can do it right here online, and you can do it using sales funnels, and you can also do it without even having any technical skills. Now, before we do that though, click on that subscribe button. Also hit that bell option, that way you get notified of all of the videos that I come out with to you on a daily basis. So you've probably been online and you see that you see a lot of gurus that say you gotta have the sales funnel, and they absolutely are right. If you ultimately want to create the lifestyle and you wanna have big money and all the fun things that come with it, ultimately with giant money, you wanna be able to create your own sales funnel and create your own products and have those on the back end. But that doesn't mean that everybody getting started can't benefit from having a sales funnel and make money online to do that, okay? So maybe you've tried to go to ClickFunnels, and ClickFunnels says, you could create the sales funnel through that. You just create your products and you set up all these funnels. Now, if you aren't familiar with what a funnel really is, it's kind of like, you have your funnel right here and you shoot it down, and you have at the very top of this funnel, you're gonna have a very low ticket type product. So it's gonna be like an ebook, and it could be like $7. And then what happens is somebody buys that $7 ebook, then they get redirected to a one-time offer. This one-time offer could be maybe a video series, or maybe more coaching. It could be just an enhance of that book, right? So it's going to be an upsell. Now, somebody buys that, then it's going to be a bigger upsell, and you gradually work your way up until you get to the point where you're up to a couple $100. Could be a $1,000 coaching program, individual programs. Okay, so that's ultimately how you create your sales funnel. But when you're first getting started, a lot of this is so over the top, and there's just so much information being thrown at you. And I get it, I totally understand that. So you have to use systems that are already in place, and you have to leverage already sales funnels that are already in place. The way you do this is you go to a lot of the affiliate networks. A lot of the big affiliate networks aren't going to have sales funnels set up on their back end to where you can benefit that. And I'll give you an example of this. ClickBank is a great place to go and promote products, and you get paid for it. The only downside with ClickBank offers is they're going to have a back-end sales funnel, but you're not going to make any of the percentage on that. That's limited to you, okay? You just get the first, you promote the product, and on the front end you get you get your percentage on that. A lot of the other programs out there, like if you promote like ClickFunnels is a great program to promote, but you're only going to get a percentage on the front end. They're going to have so many upsells on the back end, it's going to be crazy, okay? And a lot of the CPA networks are the same way. You're just going to get a one-time fee, you get your one-time percentage, and life is good. But you ultimately want that sales funnel. You want that back-end money. And the way you go about doing that is leveraging funnels that are already set up. There's two great places to do that. You can do it at jvzoo.com. You can also go to warriorplus.com. Now, what these are is they're affiliate networks that are set up with people that already have funnels in place. The funnels are already ready to go. So the funnels are set up, they build them out, and you get a percentage on that. A lot of the offers inside of JVZoo and Warrior Plus, they're going to give you 100% on the front end. So the front end price could be $9, $10, and you get 100% on that. So you get your $9, you get your $10, and then on the back end of this is going to be the upsells. So when somebody buys a $10 product, the next offer could be $17, could be $27. You could get 50% on that. Now, if somebody buys that, and then there's another offer that's presented that could be a group mastermind, or it could be a coaching program. So let's say that's like $150 or $250. You're going to get a 50% on that as well, and some of the funnels could go all the way up to like $5,000, and you're still going to get 50% on that. So initially, you would send somebody through your affiliate link. They buy that initial product, and then you're going to get all these other additional bonuses on top of that. And that's how you leverage affiliate marketing with funnels that are already existing. And this is how you set up a money-making funnel without actually creating a sales funnel yourself. You leverage other systems out there. Now, the key here is you get your affiliate link. So you go to JVZoo and you get your affiliate link, and then you get your Warrior Plus link, and you have to go out now and promote that link. You got to get in front of the right people. So how are you going to do that? You're going to use places like Facebook groups. You can use Facebook ads. You can use YouTube videos like this. Okay, you can create videos around the products that you are actually promoting. So what you do is you would find the owner of the product and you would ask for a review copy of that product. And then you can go out there and you can create a review video that's going to be on YouTube. And then underneath that video would be the link to your affiliate link to that particular sales funnel. Okay, that's how you're going to promote that. You can also use, if you wanted to use Google, if you wanted to create a blog around that, you could create blog posts that would be talking about the product. You could do a review on the product, and then underneath that video or that product review, you would have a link to that affiliate link, and that would be your sales funnel. Okay, so just understand, you don't really have to set up a sales funnel yourself. You could leverage already existing sales funnels, and you get a percentage on that. So there's a difference between ClickBank offers. ClickBank offers is a one-time fee. You just get it, and that's it. And they make all the money on the back end. They don't give you that money. But with JVZoo and Warrior Plus, you're going to get a percentage on the back end sales. Okay, you even get percentage on the down sales. So if somebody offers a product and somebody doesn't want that, they might have a down sell on it. You're going to get a percentage on that. So it adds up. So you're not only going to get 100% on the front end, but you're also going to get 50% on the back end of that. Okay, so that's how you're going to set that up, and that's how you leverage sales funnels. It's a great way to get started. It's a great way to get your feet wet, and it's also a great way to get up and get money quickly going in. Now, ultimately, you want to set up your own funnel, but that's going to be down the road, and that's for another training and another video. Okay. Hey, if you like this video, click on the like button. Also share it with your friends. Comment below. Let me know how I can help your business. This is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoyed that, and we will see you on the next one.